Hey guys, it's me Esther Jiahui. Welcome back. I've always been seeing this light box around and was wondering if I can recreate one from the materials I've already have. It's a little different from my usual DIY videos, so let me know if you guys enjoy watching such recreations. Without further ado, let's get started. These are the materials you will need: shadow box from IKEA, LED light strips, hot glue gun, sheet protector, translucent plastic bag, alphabet letters, scissors or paper cutter. Remove the backing and take everything out. I use these light strips which are super convenient as they come with 3M sticky tapes. Peel off the backing and outline the outer edge of the frame. You can cut off the excess if you want. For me, I'll just be keeping them. Next, use the glass and trace onto the plastic bag and cut them to size. I cut 2 pieces of it because it's not translucent enough. Once you're done, place sticks into the frame. For a little triangle at the corner, this is for the wire, and ta-da! Take out a piece of this sheet protector, cut off the edges and tear it open. Stick your letter stickers onto the sheet and individually cut them out into little squares and rectangles. You can either use the hot glue gun and paste them directly onto the glass, or make shelves so you can change them out anytime. Next, using this cardstock, measure and cut them out into shelves. Place the shelves wherever you like and hot glue it directly onto the glass. Also, if you want to use it like an actual light box, you can simply just rip off the cardstock away as the hot glue will not damage the glass. Place the words onto the shelves and you are done. Isn't this beautiful? I love it so much. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this as much as I do while making them. Let me know in the comment sections below if you have any other things you'd like me to recreate. That's all for today. Do remember to subscribe to me if you want to watch more DIY videos, and hit on the bell button to join my notification squad, where you'll be the first to watch my videos. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye!